Hello students, welcome to Nilachal Polytechnic. Myself Amrendra Mishra. My subject is Industrial Engineering and Management. Here I am continuing with the Plant Engineering chapter, and here in this video I am going to explain about the types of plant maintenance. We are having 4 types of plant maintenance like corrective and breakdown maintenance, scheduled maintenance, preventive maintenance, and predictive maintenance. If you are considering there are two factors, one is sustainment, another is improvement, then it may be again categorized into preventive maintenance, breakdown maintenance, corrective maintenance, and maintenance prevention. First of all, we have to know that what is sustainment. Sustainment means what? If there is any breakdown occurs in the machine, then it can be well accomplished. The wear and part can be replaced by another new one, or the part may be used for another machining operation, and that can be used again for the machining center. Where the failures may be carried out, but we can prevent that failure, and also there may be a correct failure may be takes place. There are two types like preventive maintenance and breakdown maintenance, and we are having correct operations can be performed, and again in preventive maintenance we are going to take routine maintenance, periodic maintenance, and predictive maintenance. Likewise, another category strategic is improvement, means we can increase the working life, also reduce the maintenance time, and also eliminate the need of maintenance. How can be established? It can be established by using some of the method where we are going to choose as corrective maintenance, that is improve reliability and maintainability. Another is your maintenance prevention, and that is your maintenance free design. Let's go for the first type of maintenance, that is your corrective or breakdown maintenance. So what do you mean by corrective or breakdown maintenance? As the name indicates that breakdown means while there is any breakdown occurs, for example, the motor does not start, the belt drive where belt is not winding upon the pulleys, the lead screw may not be rotated, there may be tool post may not be moved, the greasing of the machineries may not be takes place, there is no centering is correctly done by the lathe machine. These are the breakdowns occurs in the machines. So these are the breakdown maintenance. It implies the repair are made after the equipment is out of order, or it cannot perform its normal function any longer. After removing this fault, the maintenance engineer do not attend the equipment again until another failure or breakdown occurs. Under such condition, the production department calls the maintenance department and rectifies the defect. The maintenance department checks into difficulty and makes the necessary repair. There are two figures are there. Here the machine where we are going to see the exhaust pipe has a breakdown, and it can be well accomplished by utilizing the again another pipe can be used, or that can be replaced. Similarly, the operators seen that there is a problem in the motor, and he has to measure that whether the voltage supply is correct or not, whether the motor is in running condition or not. So while there is a breakdown takes place, this type of maintenance is required. Basically, there are different causes of breakdown. One is your failure to replace the worn out parts, like in pulley or lathe gear back gear arrangement. where gears are meshed with each other. After some days, the tooths are in contact with each other. There may be friction, there may be wear takes place. So that should be replaced by new gear meshes. Another is your lack of lubrication. While you are going to use any machining operation, we should have to make the lubrication system, that is coolant should be provided. All the machine parts should be properly greased. Neglecting cooling system, like I have given you that coolant, that is a liquid that is used for the machining operation. So it also reduces the heat dissipation as well as it makes the cutting tool in good edges. Indifferent towards the minor fault. Indifferent towards minor faults means we are going to see that there is a lead screw is over and out. There may be another case is that there is another problem is that here the belt drive is not at all moving upon the pulley, and there may be chances that there is no power transmission from the main driver to driven. So the problem is that the power is not transmitted. Here the belt already loosed and that is not winding upon the pulleys. The external force also, there may be fluctuation of voltage, high voltage, low voltage, and also we are going to use coolant as different, there are different lubricants are there. We are using thick lubricants for the machining operation, that always creates. Sometimes the centering, this is the second figure where video you are showing that figure where the machine part is not centered well. So while you are going to feed the cutting tool, the cutting tool causes the moving out of the job from the chuck. So what are the disadvantages of breakdown? So breakdown maybe takes place any type of time, so it is an unfortunate time. So while we are not reducing the breakdown, it will cause the reduction of output. The capacity of machineries may not be utilized to, the machines cannot be utilized to their capacity. Faster plant deterioration means the plant cannot make the happening of final product at each time. So for customer satisfaction may not be increased. Next one, increase in chances of accidents, less safety both workers and machineries. So like in the previous video, I have shown you that there is a problem that if centering process is not correctly done, while the cutting tool is moving upon the job, that may cause that the job may be mixed, maybe move away from the chuck, that will create a problem, that creates a accident. Direct loss of profit. Breakdown maintenance practice cannot be employed for those plants items which are regulated by statutory provision like crane, lifts, hoist and pressure vessel. In crane we are using heads. The hoists are made up of different materials, so that not be used by the breakdown maintenance. So thank you all of you.